Plush2x, and this is part 2 of Plush2x Vegan Kitchen. And hello again. The reason there's a part 2 is because I forgot to mention something in part 1. I forgot to show the ingredients and also another item that I had made with the mother butter. Yeah, the mother butter is good by itself. You can eat it by itself. It's delicious by itself. And you can watch part 1 to see all the varieties of what I did over there and with that. Now, I forgot to show the ingredients. Yes, let me show the ingredients before I forget. Again. Okay, this is the chocolate one here. And it has, hold on, no, this is the original one, sorry. And then it has, this music is really loud. Okay. And it has pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, coconut sugar, sesame seed, flax seeds, salt, and it's all organic. Okay, and that's this one here. Hardly anything left, but and this is chocolate one here, and here's the ingredients. Also pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, sesame seed, flax seed, and cocoa and salt. Yeah, check out part 1 to see all the variety of stuff that I did. I did a smoothie, a milkshake. Oh yeah, this is also what I forgot to show in part 1. I made a chocolate bar out of the chocolate one. Yep. Now this is how you do this one here. You take this, you can mix it with any plant. No, you don't mix plant-based milk. No, sorry. Plant-based milk is for the smoothie. Okay, you just take this and I just mixed it up with some agave. So yeah, I just took some of this here, mixed it up with some agave, and then I put in this little saran wrap thing here. And I wrapped it up, and I tossed it in the freezer so it can chill. You can put it in the fridge too, but it'll take a little longer. And then look, it's a little chocolate bar that I made out of it, and it's delicious. Yeah, you can do different things, popsicles and all that. Check out part 1 of, and you can hear all the stuff that I did with the mother butter. All right, stay tuned for more Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen. Bye. Mwah.